How to start selling on Zazzle, step-by-step guide. Listen up. If you treat Zazzle like every other print-on-demand site, you will fail. But if you treat it like Zazzle, you become unstoppable. Here is the secret. Stop selling finished products. Start selling possibilities. Your customers don't just want your art. They want to make it theirs. They want their name on that mug. They want their date on that invite. They want to co-create with you. Hand them the keys to customization, and you don't just get a sale, you get a fan. Are you ready to stop designing for yourself and start designing for them? Let's launch this store. Step 1. Account and store setup. It starts right here. You can't sell a dream if you don't have a stage. Claim your territory. Go to Zazzle right now. Don't sign up as a shopper. Sign up as a designer. You aren't here to buy. You are here to build. Name your empire. Pick a name that sticks. Your URL is your flag in the digital ground. Make it professional, make it clean, and make it yours. Look the part people buy with their eyes. Upload that banner. Set that profile picture. This isn't just decoration. This is trust. If you look professional, they will treat you like a professional. Tell your story. Fill out that about section. Who are you? What do you stand for? Whether it's modern elegance or hilarious pet gifts, define your lane and own it. The storefront is your foundation. Build it strong. Here I give you example of a good storefront based on retro vibe niche. Now step 2. The financials. This isn't just paperwork. This is the gateway to your reward. You have put in the effort and built the foundation, but now it is time to unlock the vault. This step is the difference between a hobby and a business. Do not let a simple form stand between you and your hard-earned money. Secure the bag right now. Claim your revenue. Lock in your payment settings so the money has a place to land. Make it official. Crush that tax form, W-8 or W-9, and clear the path for your first payout. Get this done today so you are ready to receive what you have earned tomorrow. Now, to the heart of your business. Unleashing the power of Step 3, creating products. Step 1 and 2 were just paperwork. Step 3 is where the magic happens. This is the moment where you stop being an administrator and start being a creator. But remember, on Zazzle, you aren't just uploading art, you are building an experience. Don't settle for static. Don't just slap a design on a shirt and walk away. Use the template feature. That little checkbox is your superpower. It is the difference between selling a birthday mug and selling Sarah's 30th birthday mug. When you create a template, you aren't just selling a product. You are collaborating with your customer. You are giving them the power to make your design their own. So, check your resolution. Keep it sharp at 300 dpi. Clear those backgrounds and most importantly, unlock the text fields. Give the customer the reins. That is how you turn a browser into a buyer and a design into a sale. Now, go create something that invites the world to leave its mark. Step 4. Listing and optimization. The bridge to visibility. You have already done the creative work. You've poured your energy into a beautiful design and built a template that is ready to be personalized. But right now, that product is a hidden treasure, a masterpiece sitting in the dark. Step 4 is where you turn the lights on. This isn't just data entry. This is how you connect with the human being on the other side of the screen. Your title is your headline. Don't whisper blue mug. Shout customizable monogram navy blue coffee mug. Your description is your sales pitch. Your tags are the map that guides the customer straight to your door. Do not rush this. Do not skip the details. The algorithm is waiting to champion your work, but you have to give it the right tools. Take a deep breath. Write with purpose and maximize those keywords you built the product. Now, make sure the world can find it. We have arrived at Step 5, royalty rates. And this, my friends, is where the rubber meets the road. This is where your creativity translates into income. Zazzle has handed you an incredible superpower that most platforms deny you: control. You are not begging for scraps. You are setting your own terms. You decide what percentage you earn on every single sale. But with that power comes the need for strategy. It is tempting to look at that dial and want to crank it up to 50%. You worked hard on that design, right? But listen to the market. The guide tells us that the standard, the sweet spot where customers feel good about buying, is between 10% and 15%. Do not look at that standard rate as settling. Look at it as strategy. If you set your rate too high, you price yourself out of the game. Remember this fundamental truth of print on demand. It is far better to earn 15% on 1,000 sales than 50% on 0 sales. Don't be greedy. Be smart. Price your items to move. Get your art into people's hands. Build your volume. Build your customer base, and the royalties will follow. Trust your work, set a fair price, and start selling. Now the last step, Step 6, promotion, the associate program. Listen, you didn't just build this store to sit back and hope the algorithm finds you. Step 6 is where you take control. Too many creators treat promotion like a chore, but on Zazzle, it is your biggest financial lever. This is the double dip. When you drive the traffic, you stop earning like a passive participant and start earning like a business owner. Why settle for 15% when you can have 30%? Every time you share that link on Pinterest or Instagram, you are betting on yourself. Don't leave that referral money on the table. Stop waiting for customers to stumble upon you. Go out there, bring them in, and pay yourself what you are actually worth. Post the link, get the sale, earn the double.